Many happy returns, Kambal, Coach Gary. We call each other Kambal because of our shared passion, advocacy, and dreams. And of course, because of our striking resemblance. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Kambal. You are my brother and I love you. Many happy returns. God bless. United we swim.
Happy birthday, kapatid! So, ngayong kaarawan mo, binabati kita sa ika 54 years old mo na. Mabuhay ka, kapatid. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Lagi mong pagpapatuloy kung ano man yung magandang ginagawa mo. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Andito lang kami. So, I love you, brother.
Hi, Coach! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Coach!
Happy birthday, Coach!
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo kay Coach?
Thank you, Anna, for putting up with me kahit makulit ako minsan. Tapos nag-reklamo rin ako. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Coach! Gusto lang sabihin na salamat sa iyong oras sa pagkakaturo sa amin, sa akin at sa buong team. At one day, alam ko, I will make you proud.
Yun, Coach. Medyo matagal yung pinagsamahan natin since 2017. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is good health palagi. Good health palagi. Para mas marami ka pang batang matulungan, mas marami ka pang maging swimmer, and sana palagi kang malusog, malakas, hindi magkakasakit. Yan lang, Coach. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Coach!
Happy birthday, Boss Jero Jaime. Happy birthday, Boss Jero. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko eh. Wish ko lang na sana umaba pa yung buhok mo at wag nang tuluyang maubos. At salamat sa mga payo at mga tinuturo mo sa akin. At mabuhay ka pa ng mas mahaba. At mamaya inuman tayo sa inyo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Yo, binabati ko ng maligayang karuan ng head coach namin, si Coach Jeru. Happy birthday sa iyo, Coach. Ingat ka palagi. And maraming salamat sa pagtulong sa akin, Coach. And maraming salamat din, Coach, na hindi mo pinapabayaan sa pagtuturo kung paano magbigay ng program. Ayun lang, Coach. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Coach. Happy birthday uli ang legendary coach na si Coach Jeru.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para marami ka pang maturuan na swimmer at maging all champion tayo. Sana. Happy birthday ulit, Coach Gary.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Coach Gary.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Long and healthy life. God bless you always po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for guiding us in our swimming.
Thank you, Coach Gary, for being patient to us.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for teaching us and also teaching us how to swim fast and teaching us how to dive and tumble turn. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary.
Happy
birthday, Coach Sherry.
Gary.
Coach Dero, happy birthday. Salamat sa pagtitiyaga at pagtuturo sa akin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach
Happy
Gary.
birthday, Coach Gary.
Thank you po sa pagturo sa amin, sa pag-guide sa amin, at sa pagbigay sa amin ng opportunity para makapag-compete. Thank you po.
Thank you po, Coach Gary.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you. Thank you so much for helping me on my improvement in swimming and to reach my full potential.
Happy birthday, Coach. Thank you for pushing us to do our best. We are grateful to you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach. Thank you for your guidance and support. Wishing you the best. God bless.
Happy birthday, Coach. I wish that you don't feel overworked by everything. So, remember this. Never ruin a good day by thinking of a bad yesterday.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for always teaching me. Love, Kaden.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. God bless you.
Thank you, Coach Gary, for making us swimmers. Happy birthday. You're the best. Woo! Happy birthday, Coach Gary. We love you. Thank you for all the patience that you've given us. Bye! Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for being a supportive coach.
Greetings, Coach Gary. Happy birthday! And thank you for being my coach. You are really good at it and great. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for guiding me and Jacob in swimming. I hope you have a good day and thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for teaching me how to swim fast. Be healthy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Hey, Coach, happy birthday. Thank you for being my coach. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for teaching me how to swim properly.
Happy birthday po, Coach Gary. God bless you.
Coach Gary, happy birthday. Thank you for your patience, for teaching me to swim again. Happy birthday. Look at my medal. I have silver and bronze. Thank you. It's my hardest I can do. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for teaching us how to swim. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for pushing us to be our best. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for being our head coach in swimming. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Coach! I wish you all the best in life and hope your birthday wishes come true. Happy birthday!
Hi, Coach! Happy birthday, Coach! Thank you for always leading the team to victory and making practice fun. Happy birthday!
Hi, Coach. Happy birthday po. Stay safe and God bless.
3.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Miss na kita. Miss ko na mag-training dyan. Miss ko na yung pinapahirapan mo ko lagi sa mga sets. Sana manatili ka palaging ligtas. Sana lagi ka pa rin sumisigaw. And yes, happy birthday, Coach. Babalik na rin ako soon. See you. I miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Coach. Thank you for teaching us how to swim.
We wish you good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach. I love you. More birthdays to come. Mwah!
Happy
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for being a good coach. I wish you good health and more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. Thank you for being a good coach. I wish you more birthdays to celebrate.
Hi, Coach. Happy birthday. Thank you for helping me get better in swimming. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Coach.
Happy birthday, Coach Gary. May God bless you more. And thank you for everything. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Jeru.